Bollywood stars who have faced income tax raid. Ekta Kapoor. Just a day before the release of her mega production Shootout at Wadala, Ekta Kapoor's house was raided by IT officials for suspected tax evasion. As per reports, nearly 100 officials were on the job, who searched the Kapoor residence and Balaji Telefilm studio. Priyanka Chopra. According to reports, Priyanka's house was raided back in January 2011 by the Income Tax Department. At that time, Bollywood actor Shahid Kapoor was also present with her. The authorities reportedly found details of hidden income worth rupees 6 crore from her and at the possession worth rupees 1 crore 50 lakhs from her father, Dr. Ashok Chopra, and the actor's assistant Chand Mishra. Katrina Kaif. According to reports, Katrina Kaif's house was also raided by income tax officials in 2011. She failed to prove the IT department with proper tax details. However, she denied having any unaccounted black money stashed in one of the apartments in Mumbai. Madhuri Dixit. According to reports, Madhuri Dixit's residence was raided by Income Tax Department several years ago. The officials were breaking the walls of her house to discover money stashed in them. Apparently, Madhuri had handed over a huge amount of money to her manager to hide in the house. Sonu Sood. When Sonu Sood bought a property worth rupees 30 crore, it caught the attention of the Income Tax Department. The raid lasted for close to 22 hours and was on till yesterday morning. The income tax officials recovered many documents and unaccounted assets. Taapsee Pannu. This year, the Income Tax Department raided Bollywood actor Taapsee Pannu's Mumbai house. According to reports, the Income Tax Department searches were conducted as a part of tax evasion investigation that was carried out across 30 locations in Mumbai and Pune. Thank you for watching.